In this video, I'll show you how to invite people to Slack in just a few simple steps. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick productivity guides. Start by opening Slack on your desktop app or browser and log in with your email, Google or Apple account. Once you're inside, choose the workspace you want to add people to. Remember, a workspace is your team's central hub where all the collaboration happens. At the top left of Slack, under the workspace name, you'll see the option Invite People. Click it and an invitation window will pop up. Here just type in the email addresses of the people you'd like to add. You can enter multiple emails at once or copy and paste from a list. Double check the addresses, then hit send. Your teammates will get an email invitation with instructions to join. If they don't see it, remind them to check their spam or junk folder. And that's it. You've successfully invited people to your Slack workspace and expanded your team. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.